Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to talk about planning a low-maintenance backyard that you can actually keep up with. Picture this. You've got a great-looking deck, maybe a nice patio, some railings, and a few extras. It all looks fantastic the first year. But by year 3 or 4, if everything needs heavy cleaning, sanding, and sealing just to look decent, that dream space can start to feel like a burden. The key is to be honest with yourself up front. How much time do you really want to spend maintaining your deck, railings, and other outdoor structures? If the answer is not much, that should guide a lot of your decisions. Let's start with decking. Wood can be beautiful, but it needs steady care. If you're okay with that, it can be a solid choice. If you're not, composite decking may be a better fit. It doesn't need to be stained or sealed, and it's designed to handle weather and daily use with a lot less attention. It still needs an occasional wash, but not the same level of work as many traditional wood setups. Railings follow a similar pattern. Wood railings can look classic, but they have more surfaces to paint or stain. Composite, metal, or mixed systems can reduce the amount of scraping and refinishing needed over the years. For many homeowners, choosing a low-maintenance railing system is one of the easiest ways to cut future work. Layout matters too. A deck with a simple, clean shape is usually easier to maintain than one with lots of tiny corners and tight spaces. Straight lines and clear edges are easier to sweep and wash. Having good access around your deck, porch, or outdoor kitchen also helps. If you can't easily reach the sides and underside, it's harder to keep things in good shape. Shade and protection play a big role. A pergola or covered section can protect parts of your deck from constant sun and weather, which helps finishes and materials last longer. That doesn't mean you need to roof everything, but thinking about where sun hits hardest can help you decide where to add cover. Now think about features like grills and outdoor kitchens. Placing them where smoke and grease won't constantly hit your main walking areas helps keep things cleaner. Choosing durable surfaces under and around cooking zones reduces staining and wear. The same goes for built-in seating, planters, and steps. Simple, strong designs with good materials will hold up better with less attention. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we always ask homeowners about maintenance tolerance. Some people enjoy working on their decks. Others just want to rinse things off and get back to enjoying the space. Neither answer is wrong, but it changes how we design. If you're ready to plan a backyard that fits your real life, not just a picture in your head, we'd be glad to help. You can reach Tough Deck Builders Hamilton at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to start a conversation. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton. A strong, low-maintenance outdoor space is built on honest planning and smart choices from day one.